Hello there. Well, we're at the end of 5 weeks, believe it or not, and which means we're almost at the midterm of the semester. And so let's review what we've covered so far. You've learned what the global players are. You've studied a little bit about what the major environmental issues are. You learned about the science of climate change and the politics and policies of climate change. And then most recently, you learned about how energy contributes to environmental cause issues and how to address those issues. And energy sort of fuels our lifestyles and our businesses. The economic system runs on energy. We need energy for food and travel and heating and all of that. So how do we get to sustainability? And that's what this week is about. What are the efforts that are being undertaken to achieve some kind of sustainable action globally? Um, so we touched a little bit on sustainability, I think, in week 2. This week is going to be all about sustainability and what's going on. So you are going to go over the Sustainable Development Goals again, a little bit more in depth. Also, I thought it was important for you to understand what businesses are doing in order to be more sustainable because you're hearing a lot more about sustainability these days from lots and lots of different corporations. So one of the organizations is the Global Reporting Initiative, GRI, which allows organizations to report on their environmental activities. And it's been globally accepted, so it's important to know about it. Something that I did not put into the module was corporate social responsibility, or CSR. That's becoming another big movement within corporations. And I think you'll hear a lot more about it coming up, so keep your eyes out for that. But I think we all have to beware of what they call greenwashing. What is greenwashing? Greenwashing is when companies and other organizations pretend to be environmentally friendly, and they certainly take out advertisements saying that they are environmentally responsible, but they aren't really. So you can't take at face value what the advertisements say, what articles say, what company slogans are, what their mottos are. You really have to dig a little bit deeper and have a curious mind to see, what is really going on. So try not to be brainwashed by greenwashing because there is a lot of it out there. And if we were meeting in person, I would be asking you for things like, so what do you think is greenwashing? I could name a number of industries that claim to be environmentally friendly that really aren't. So you'll have to use your own judgment. But I've very much enjoyed, once again, the presentations by the students. That really the quality is very, very good. Thank you so much for putting time and effort into what you're doing and for commenting on the presentations as well. I'm looking forward to getting the annotated bibliographies. I guess they're due, this is Sunday when I'm recording it. They're due tonight, and I'll look at them tomorrow. So Monday is sort of my day to go through everything that you guys have submitted on Sundays because it's not due until midnight. I'm not waiting up until midnight for you. Um, and I hope that you're enjoying the fall weather. My garden is almost done now. It's still producing lots of tomatoes, which is lovely. I've still got bell peppers and eggplant. My herbs are still growing. This is my first year with a garden, and I started it because I taught therapeutic gardening at St. Francis in the spring. And I thought, you know what? Let's just practice what I'm trying to teach. And it has really helped me to have a much greater appreciation for the role of nature in our lives and how plants benefit us. We cannot live without plants. And I think we should show them a little bit more respect than we do. But that's a topic for another day. So I hope that you're all enjoying a nice weekend, and I'll look forward to hearing from you one way or the other. And once again, Tuesdays at 5 o'clock is the time that I have set aside for office hours, and we're having some pretty lively discussions. So you're all welcome to join at any time. Take care. Bye.